Kennedy Wambua Ngunze, popularly referred to by his stage name Ken Wamaria, has released over 200 songs that have taken the music industry by storm. The artist began singing at an early age as he was a member of his local Catholic church, where he was lucky to be introduced to musical instruments by an Indalian priest. Ken Wamaria runs the Yatta Orchestra International Band, comprising of over 15 Benga musicians. Kennedy Wambua Ngunze, popularly referred to by his stage name Ken Wamaria, is one of the most prominent musicians in Kenya. The fundamental hitmaker has released over 200 songs that have taken the music industry by storm. Ken Wamaria, early life and education. According to Mdundo.com, a music streaming service, Ken Wamaria was born in Machakos County in a family of 4. After completing his high school studies, he moved to Nairobi, where he did manual jobs to survive. The musician worked in the Juakali sector before selling second-hand clothes in the famous Gikomba market. He later joined the prestigious University of Nairobi and graduated with a Bachelor's of Business Statistics degree. He obtained his master's from Strathmore University. Ken Wamaria music career. The artist began singing at an early age. He was a member of his local Catholic church and was lucky to be introduced to musical instruments by an Indalian priest. The Kamba Benga singer released his debut album in 2004, featuring the hit song We Nzamithia Mwelu. He rose to fame in 2014 when he released his single song Fundamentals. What businesses and properties does Ken Wamaria own? Number 1. Yatta Orchestra International Band. Ken Wamaria runs the Yatta Orchestra International Band, comprising of over 15 musicians. The band has birthed over 30 bands through his hands. He is considered one of the richest Kamba musicians with an estimated net worth of 25 million Kenya shillings, according to Who Owns Kenya. Ken Wamaria charges over 100,000 per show, but this varies depending on the client at hand. Number 2, Matatus. The musician has invested in the Matatu industry. He owns a known number of public service vehicles plying Ukambani routes. Number 3, music shop. Besides managing the Yatta band, the artist owns a music shop run by his wife Angela. The duo have 2 children together, namely Stacy and Pauline. Number 4, multi-million cars. Ken Wamaria has bought multi-million cars that enable him to move around easily, popularizing his music and holding live performances. His list of vehicles includes a Toyota Land Cruiser, a Range Rover, and a Mercedes-Benz. And then finally, the musician also owns a beachfront house in the coastal city of Mombasa. So guys, that's about Ken Wamaria, who is one of the biggest and the most sought Kamba Benga artists, who is making a big impact in our music industry. He has nurtured some of the biggest guys in the game, including Kativoi, Maima, and other many artists. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure that you have subscribed, like, comment our channel, because